I think it's important to add, this isn't flexi schooling, so it's not an alternative to mainstream. We know that our curriculum works for the students in the school in terms of outcomes, but this is about making sure that everyone can then meet that curriculum. So where they can't get into school, we give them a different avenue to support them back in. You know, if you're struggling with mental health and you're waiting 6 months, a year, 18 months for that kind of support to really kick in, it naturally isolates you. It sucks you away from friends, it sucks you away from the kind of normal daily life. So to be able to see it through that comfort zone of a screen, so a tablet or a phone, and actually see that it's still the same as it used to be, then being able to kind of have that face-to-face contact with members of staff that are going to be working with you, suddenly it starts to remove that sense of isolation. It goes through that stepped and stage transition, and that's where I think our inclusion room has really given us that opportunity to give students a springboard in school to then transition back into class. And it's the AV1 that allows them that stage transition from home to school to kind of real classroom settings. And again, there's no way we could do that without AV1.